Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Landa. I am the medical director of Bioidentical MD, and I also own a practice. My practice is in Orlando. It's a Bioidentical MD practice. Bioidentical MD is a national network of highly trained anti-aging physicians who all focus on bioidentical hormone replacement, and we also focus on nutrition and fitness and develop a plan with our patients involving all of those things, because all of those things are so important to achieving optimal health. Bioidentical MD physicians do have specialized training. We go through a fellowship, which is about 2 years of study, which includes training in bioidentical hormone therapy, but also in a lot of other disciplines called functional medicine, which basically treats the body as a whole, so we're able to treat disease from a very holistic point of view. My patients really do appreciate having a doctor who does have experience in nutritional supplementation. A lot of patients come to me very confused. They look at the supplement shelves, they stand in front of those walls of supplements in the health food store and say, what am I supposed to get? Some of them go even further. They do a lot of reading. They read about all these particular nutrients, but you can't take them all. And my patients want to know what is right for me. So I do sometimes do very detailed testing called a functional intracellular analysis, or FIA for short, which is a lot easier to say, looking at how their cells react when you take away certain vitamins or nutrients, which tells us what they're actually deficient in. So that's going a step beyond just measuring vitamin levels in serum. And then I'm able to direct the patient's nutritional regimen very specifically. And also I direct their nutritional supplementation based on what specific problems they have. So if inflammation seems to be one of their bigger problems, if they don't seem to be detoxifying through their liver properly, then I recommend different supplements. Or if they have hormone imbalance, there are certain supplements I recommend for that, and so on and so on. The difference between bioidentical hormones and traditional hormone therapy is very significant. Hormones have receptors in our bodies, and the hormones fit together into a receptor exactly like a key fits into a lock. Anybody who's had a key cut wrong knows that when the key isn't right, you're not going to be able to turn the lock. It might fit in, but it's not going to turn. It's the same exact thing with hormones. The bioidentical hormones are the only hormones that are actually going to fit into the lock, being the receptor, and turn the key, and that means have the biological activity that the hormone is supposed to have. And that is why hormones, bioidentical hormones, are both safer and more effective, because they fit in the receptor and they cause the proper reaction in the body. The traditional or synthetic hormone therapies don't fit properly into the receptor. The hormones have a certain molecular structure, and that's what causes the ridges in the key, if you will. And then the receptors are made in the exactly opposite shape so that they can fit exactly. And the artificial hormones don't do that. They're not as safe and they're not effective. And that's why so many women have side effects from them. And that's why they cause an increased risk of disease, whereas the bioidentical hormones do not.
My wife introduced me to this whole concept and the whole idea of bioidentical hormones through Body Logic. It really makes a lot of sense. It's really matching your hormone levels in a natural way to bring it back to a level where you do feel better. And it's dramatically improved our lives, and I would suggest it to anyone. It's wonderful. It just gives you a new way to look forward to life, because I can tell you, from personal experience, when your testosterone levels are dipping down to a level that's pretty low, you don't have the energy or the ability or even the desire to do a lot of things. And this gets you back in the game.
We have a lot of years left.
If you'd like to get more information about Bioidentical MD, go to our website, biologicmd.com. And if you'd like to get more information about my practice, search for Orlando, Florida, and you'll get more information about my practice and my credentials in particular.